nagsimula ako mag-produce ng song around October. So, parang simula October, I've been locked in making my EP. So, tapos pagdating nung January, nag-film pa ako ng mga MB. So, parang, I don't really have any engagement anymore on social media kasi I prioritized locking in on my EP. So parang, paano ko naman ngayon mapopromote kung wala akong engagement? Di ba? Parang, ang confusing maging artist sa mga nakikinig. Ang confusing maging artist kasi you don't really have a lot of time. Kasi, you need to perfect everything, then you have to shoot, then you have contracts to follow. And to make it worse, I am moving independently. Like, I am with Sony, pero my contract is different. Like, I make everything that I release. And sila lang bahala sa paglabas. Parang nakakapikon lang na hindi ko na kayang mag-keep up on socials. I miss this person. Hi, Yoshi! Hi, Denver! Mima, sana mag-all-stars ka na. Kung qualified pa ako, hindi na ako masyadong magda-drag. I'm not even sure if mabubuk pa ako as drag since I'm gonna be promoting heavily out of drag. Diba? So, parang, ayun. Ako lang ba or baka dead hours lang yung napili ko mag-live? Kasi eto lang din yung oras ko today. Kasi mamayang midnight, lalabas na yung song, tapos bukas yung MV. Hindi ako makapag-live buong araw kasi I'm gonna be at rehearsals. Kasama niyo po ba ibang drag queens? May kanya-kanya kaming buhay. I'm with my team right now. Kasama ko yung team ko sa condo nila. Kasi, hindi naman ako mayamang bakla. So, I'm staying at their place for 1 week para lang makapag-content. And, yung MV release, yung song release, and I need to do shit here. Kasi medyo magulo sa bahay namin. I am living with a lot of people. I live with my family. So parang, I don't want to deal with anyone para sa week na medyo important for me. Pero ayun, itatry kong maging live consistently after nung song release. Kasi I really need to get my algorithm back. Kasi the music is not gonna work if wala ako sa algorithm. Tulad nga nung sabi ni Maris Racal dun sa isang podcast. Thank you, Denver! Oh my God. Kamusta naman yung isdaan mo, girl? Kaya ma-congrats. Thank you! Uy, konti lang kayo nanonood ngayon pero magla-live ulit ako mamaya. Sasalubungin ko yung single release around midnight. Ata. Kung makakauwi ako around midnight. Kasi my rehearsals are gonna be up until 10 p.m. So, medyo hectic. Actually, yung rehearsal nga na to is for a CG na medyo long overdue na. Pero, I vibe with the group. So, push natin yan. Pogi mo, J. Queen. Hindi tayo sure. Fun fact. Yung bago kong rebranding image-wise, iniisip ko, dati kasi nung nag-start ako mag-music, parang na-push sa akin na magpapogi ka lang tas kumanta. Pero hindi ko siya kaya kasi I don't really find myself attractive. Like, yes, pasok ako sa K-beauty standards before, lalo na sa styling ko. Pero in Filipino terms, like in bet ng mga Pinoy, hindi ako pogi unless you're a K-pop stan. And I'm aiming for more of a general public. So I kind of went with a more alternative route with my makeup sa bonding. It's not soft boy anymore. But I might still dive back in sa ganong aesthetic one day. Like pag comfortable na ako sa sarili ko in music. Comment naman kayo, usap tayo. Super gets. Di ba gets? Sobrang frustrating kasi isa din yun dahil alam niyo naman kaibigan ko yung Aja, di ba? Tapos yung nababash yung Aja for looking Korean. Like, Pilipino sila, they don't really have any say kung bakit mukha silang ganon. Mga Pinoy sila, pero mukha silang Koreano. Tapos na-hate sila. Tapos naisip ko, oh my God, I'm the same. Like, sinasabihan ako ng ibang Hanis na pwede ako maging fifth member. So parang I need to change up a bit. And to be honest, lalo na yung rebranding na to, kung hindi ako nagagapuan sa sarili ko before, mas hindi ako nagagapuan sa sarili ko ngayon. So I can really do like a lot of quirky stuff now. Like hindi na ako magiging masyadong concerned sa image. Like I can do anything I want. Like hindi naman ako papogi. Tulad nung past releases ko sa Bagong Buwan na parang I need to be that soft pogi image na parang meron si Maki and Gian. Stream niyo yung, hi ma, lagi kita nakikita sa Caloocan sa second street kasi ako, nahihiya ako magpa-pic sa'yo. Oh my God, hello! Hello Wanderer, lapit ka sa akin be. Kaso lang, wala ako sa Caloocan ngayon. Nakikistay ako sa road manager ko at the moment sa congressional. Kasi I need to do a lot of shit this week. And hectic, ang hectic sa Caloocan, sobrang hectic ngayon. Like, ako lang ba yun kung mga taga Caloocan kayo, South Caloocan to be exact, ang medyo hectic ngayon sa Caloocan, medyo ang hirap tumira. Ticket selling na bukas ng TXT bukas, pupunta ka ba? No, because I don't have any money. I don't have any money kasi yung natitira kong, may ipon ako, then kumuha ako ng pera sa ipon ko para mabuo yung bonding. And to be honest, nabuo yung bonding for a very small amount of money. Kasi yung huling release ko, yung Bagong Buwan, umabot kami ng 100k for the MV. And it didn't really work out. Like, it didn't really pay off. So, naubos lang yung saving ko for Bagong Buwan, thinking it would be a hit. Then it didn't. And now I'm with Sony working independently. Wala akong ginastos sa song because I produced it, I wrote it. Ang ginastos ko lang is yung studio ko, yung pinag-recordan ko ng vocals because I don't really have the right equipment to record vocals. So yun yung pinaka ginastos ko lang. Tapos yung MB ko, like my current RM, si Joshi, yung na-drag daughter ko din, pero lumevel up na siya, road manager na siya. Siya nag-executive produce ng MV. Kasi alam niya, I'm dealing with a very tight spot in my situation. So parang kinoproduce niya with me. Tapos yung choreographer ko, si James, my lovely James, nag-choreo siya ng libre, tapos kinuha niya yung dance team niya to dance for me for free. So parang, this is a teamwork sa release na to, kaya sana supportan nyo kahit konti tayo nanonood today. Kayong 15, i-stream nyo yung kanta, i-stream nyo yung MV. Kasi $5 in a dream siya. Pero sobrang ganda ng MV, guys. As in, sobrang ganda. Mas maganda yung MV ng bonding kumpara sa last MV ko. Tapos yung editor ng MV is yung drag daughter ko din, si Lian. Isa siyang creative director. Tapos siya yung gumawa ng buong MV. And siya yung tumulong sa akin mabuo yung buong concept. What can you say about Minty? Hindi deserve ni Minty umuwi. Hi, Ferma Sabio. Sa Sulu pa rin ba kayo nakatira, Jonard? Hindi na po. Lumipat kami from Sulu. Lumipat ako ng Caloocan around nung 15 ako, bago mag-college. So, wala na po ako sa Sulu. Nasa Caloocan po ako. Pero at the moment, hindi po din ako, nakatira ako sa congressional ngayon for a while. Do you mind joining Drag Race again, ma? If I'm still accepted, since I'm gonna be promoting Out of Drag now, I would come back. I would do drag again and join Drag Race. Pero, kung may invite nila ako. Kasi, baka makita ng production na I'm not doing drag, di ako invite. Pero I'm open. I'm open to it. Like, kailangan ko i-redeem yung image ko. In a way. Totoo daw ba man na attitude ko sa personal at nanunulak? Nakarating sa team namin yung issue na nanulak daw ako. Tapos confused sila I don't really use social media that much anymore. Kasi busy ako sa producing. And yung lahat ng post ko ngayon is tina-time ko lang except sa mga time na nagra-random tweets ako. So, nakarating sa team ko, yon. Tapos, nireview nila yung video. Akala nila nanulak daw talaga ako. And ilang beses namin niloop yung video. Hindi naman ako nanulak. I was just gently pressing his chest. Kasi kinakausap ko dahil nag-hi sa akin. Yun yung pagkakaalala ko. Dahil yung video na yon was January 2025. Tapos nag-resurface yung issue around 2 weeks ago? January. So, 1 year ago na, tapos nilabas nila ng 2026 na nanulak daw ako. Then, hindi naman pala ako nanulak. Tapos, nagalit sila Bench at sila Maxi kasi wala naman daw pala nangyari. Kinontak din nila ako. Nag-usap-usap kami na parang, hindi naman daw nanulak. And, hindi ko na tinignan yung video. Kasi, ayoko mawala sa wish ko nung time na yun. Kasi sobrang busy ko sa production ng EP. So, gets nyo na yun. Like, ang hirap gumawa ng song. I don't really need any more distractions. Padami na nanonood. Oh my God, hello po. Sister with Mictional by heart and by brain. What do you mean by brain? Dahil pares kami may ADHD. Grabe ka naman. Oh my God, hi Marky! Wag nyo na alamin yung context. It's so blown out of proportion. Like, sobrang weird. Like, even my team got weirded out for a second. Kasi, sobrang random niya. And sabi ng friend ko, like, may friend ako na nag-reach out na parang, deadmahin mo na kasi baka daw bet makakuha ng check from Meta. So parang, okay, I'm not gonna like answer. If you want to get that check, girl. But don't ruin other people's reputation. Like, I have bad days. Pero pag nasa club ako, I'm with friends and I don't really talk with other people that much. So parang nandun ako sa circle ko. So, yeah. Anong comment? I don't know why, pero sobrang nairit talaga ako sa'yo. You're my pet peeve. Then, Jennifer, get the fuck out, girl. I'm not appeasing the Drag Race fandom anymore. So, fuck y'all. If you don't like me, get the fuck out. Okay? Dibet, pero clinic mo yung live, tanga. But I want to see you again sa main stage, J Queen. Ma, do you mind ba na palitan mo branding mo? Napalitan ko na. Like, I'm fully rebranded now. I'm not a drag queen full-time anymore. I'm working full-time as a producer. Miss you, ma. Thank you, Neil. Oh my God. Sana pag nagkaroon ako nabook ako sa P-pop event, makita kita. J Queen banding tayo. Mamaya, 12 midnight, on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere. Bonding is gonna be out everywhere later midnight. So stream niyo yung song ko, please. Pinaghirapan ko yun. Ako nag-produce, ako nagsulat. Ako nag-mix and mastering. Like, kung alam niyo kung ano yung mix and mastering, sobrang hirap niya. Pinaghirapan ko siya ng 2 weeks. But they want to see you again on the main stage. Gusto kong sumali ulit. Pero at the meantime kasi, kaya nag-pursue ako full-time in music, I don't really have any bookings in drag. Kasi overpopulated na yung drag and oversaturated na lahat ng bars and lahat ng events. And yung mga events, kinukuha lang naman ng mga events pag fan favorite ka. So I don't really have any job in drag anymore. Kaya nag-pursue na ako na mag-full-time na in music. Anong branding mo ngayon, ma? P-pop. Aba, matapang ka, dapat tumanggap ka ng constructive criticism. Hindi constructive criticism yung sinasabi mong pet peeve mo ko, wag kang tanga. Hindi yung constructive criticism. Pabati po, mi Queen, birthday Aaron Dalmar, maglalang. Wish na rin, ma. Okay, screen record mo na. Hi, Aaron there, yung list ko. Hi, Aaron Delmar. Happy birthday. Oh my God, we might get J Queen talent show na produce herself. Most likely, pag bumalik ako ng All-Stars, ako magpo-produce ng sarili kong talent show. Or, better yet, pag nag-talent show ako, magpo-produce ako on the spot sa stage. 'Di ba? Tas freestyle ng lyrics. Just like how Lagandam did her talent show sa UK versus the World. Batid na kayo ni Maxima. Matagal na kaming batid eh. dalawang taon na yung season 3. Mga bonding with Angel. Magkausap kami ni Angel nung nakaraan kasi may nagalit si Angel sa isang post ng hater ko. Tapos nag-PM kami together na parang it's been 2 years, let it go daw. Pero hindi na rin talaga namin control kung ano yung gusto ng fan. So, take what you can get. We don't really care anymore. Sali ka sa Papansin Squad, ma. I believe wala na ako sa age range ng Papansin Squad kasi yung Papansin Squad is 21 to 23 years old. Girl, I'm already 27. Ang magkaedad ni Mix and UD, 27, 28, and 29. So parang medyo malayo kung nasa friend group ako ng mga mas bata since iba yung wavelength naming lahat. You don't look 27. I know, right? Fun fact, hindi nag-hit yung puberty ko till I was 20. Bumaba yung boses ko around 20 years old. Tumangkad ako around 20 years old. Lumaki yung ko around 20 years old. So parang, the puberty was so late. Yung firecracker gun ni Godland, ano yun eh, maraming ganon si Rasha Fox. So si Rasha Fox yung nakakaalam sa mga ganon. San Rampama, I'm going to a rehearsal today. Kasi I need to learn how to dance. What if UD and Jake win same season ulit? Ba't ba gusto nyong mag-compete kami ulit? Like, nakakabaliw mag-compete. Why not, like, UD Pota x J Queen sa isang music video ko, tas maglalaplapan kami ni UD. Like, di ba? Parang mas masaya yon, yung parang canonize na yung, landian ng mga bakla. On a music video. J Queen, bonding tayo, I love you. Bonding out on 12 midnight tonight on Spotify and Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, everywhere. It's gonna be out everywhere because I am now under a what? A music label. So, may stream siya everywhere. And stream nyo kasi pinaghirapan ko yun. Ang ginagamit kong blush for men makeup is Poppycoo Cosmetics. Sobrang pigmented niya lang do. So, be careful. Medyo overpowering yung pigment niya. Kasi hindi siya tint. Siya cream base na Kasi yung ibang blush on pag ini-swatch mo parang parang may filter lang na kulay. Ito talaga kulay siya. So parang you need trained hands to use it. Feeling ko pag nag-compete kami ni Yudi, mababaliw ulit. Nabaliw kami the first time around eh. Feeling ko mababaliw pa rin kami this time. Kasi with me, UD, and Mix, the three of us, we don't really work well under pressure. Like hindi yung pressure ng competition na, pero yung pressure ng production na lahat ng gagawin nyo gagagaling kayo because medyo kulang sa time lagi yung filming. So parang sobrang sobrang draining mag-film talaga. Pero may mga nagko-comment na Slation. I really do want to join Slation Real. Kasi pasok yung branding. But also at the same time, I don't know if Kasi fully rebranded na ako ngayon as a musician. I don't know kung ano yung gagawin ko ngayon as a drag queen. Because yung purpose ng drag ko before was mag-feeling idol, mag-feeling musician. Now I'm doing it. I'm doing it as a job now, as a musician. So parang, ano na yung gagawin ko sa drag if wala na yung fantasy na feeling musician, feeling idol when I am pursuing it now? So, comment down below kung ano yung pwede ko maging branding if I ever went back to Drag Race. Are you from Caloocan? I saw you in SM Grand. Yes po, taga Caloocan po ako. I'm staying at Caloocan. Not right now though. Wala ako sa Caloocan this week. Pero nasa Caloocan ako. Lagi akong nasa Victory Mall. Kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko. Kasi may kaibigan akong CG na lagi sila nasa Victory Mall. So I always hang out with them. Kaya lagi ako nandun. Tapos nagpapaturo lang din ako ng mga TikTok dance, ganun, para may content ako. Na naka-drops lahat ngayon kasi I don't really have to upload. Kasi meron akong scheduled content for the comeback. Na-miss mo ba si Mama Rems? Hindi masyado kasi lagi naman kami nagko-communicate ni Mams. Nagkakamustahan kami lagi. Lagi kami nagkikita randomly. Like, for example, may mga mall show. Tapos lagi ako nasa mall. Pupunta ako kung san-san. Marami akong side quest. May kita ko si Rems. May trabaho sila that day on that same mall. So parang lagi kami nagkikita. Accidentally. Pwede ba ako maging drag daughter mo? Naku dear, I'm sorry to say, I'm not active anymore sa drag. So, anong silbi ng drag mom na hindi active, diba? Yung mga daughter ko nga ngayon, I don't really see them anymore as drag daughters. I call them my team now. Kasi lahat sila creatives, dancers, editors, writers. So, parang we're all like a big team for music now. Tapos hobby nila yung drag. And pag need nila ng help like in makeup, doon lang ako papasok ulit. Like, pero hindi na ako hands-on na drag mom. Kasi mas hands-on ako ngayon in making music. I think what you built dati is strong na like Asian culture idol ka na. Ayun nga, sobrang strong ng Asian culture because may knowledge talaga ako dahil lumaki ako sa ganong family. Pero it got hated a lot. So parang I don't want to use it anymore kasi maraming hindi nakagets. At kung babalik ako, bakit ko naman gagamitin pa ulit yung ayaw ng tao? Like, let's be real and strategic talaga. Kasi lagi talagang magka-come off as mukhang cosplay yung Asian branding. And I don't know, meron talagang history, like cosplayer din kasi ako nung high school ako. Merong history na binubully lagi yung mga cosplayer kasi hindi gets ng tao. Na-experience ko yung bullying na yun firsthand nung nagko-cosplay ako. So parang, I think it's just like internal racism ng Pilipinas towards Filipinos na gusto mag-explore ng other cultures. Like, it's borderline xenophobic sometimes. Like, every weekend nasa Victory Mall kayo, ma? Not every weekend. Like, every other, a few times a month. Yeah. Kasi I also do have rehearsals sa weekends for other stuff. At saka, nagda-dance training din ako. When I have the time, tas andun sila, pupunta ako. Hosik daw tomorrow. Ay, si Ronso ba to? Hi, Ronso. See you later. See you later ba for Alcha? Nag-aayos na ako kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Pero homesick tomorrow. Pag-isipan ko kasi wala na akong pera ron. So, wala na, nung huling homesick ko, nilibre lang ako ng team ko. Taray may lakad. Wala akong lakad, Mateo. Meron lang ako rehearsal for Alchemist sa CG ko. Palayagin mo yung Maxiana. Fun fact, ayaw na nung dalawa ata yung Maxiana. Like, nabalitaan ko lang from somewhere. Kasi parang gusto na nilang pag-stopin yung ships. Kasi ginagawa ng buong branding nung dalawa, yung ship. Kasi hindi na na-appreciate yung solo activities nila. So, yun. Maybe, let's think about the ships. Kasi parang medyo hindi na daw healthy, according to sources. Punta ka Dunkin' XTXT sa March? No. Kasi, I've been so caught up sa music and wala akong pera. Wala akong pera ngayon. Nag-aabang ako ng collaboration kineso for Dunkin'. Kung sana meron. Sana naman. Pero yun, nag-aabang lang din ako ng maglilibre sa akin ng tickets. Kamusta naman yung physical fitness mo, ma? Never better. Never better. I've been abusing my body lately. So, yeah, I've been abusing my body. Hindi ako kumakain kasi natatakot ako ma-body shame just in case bumalik ako sa algorithm. So, I haven't been eating and I'm developing the raspiness of my voice kasi medyo boses bata ako. I've been smoking a lot. Kaya medyo may vocal fry ako ngayon. Kasi I've been smoking a lot para lang may texture yung boses ko when I sing. For example, Lady Gaga, first releases niya, high-pitch baby voice, The Fame era, yun. The Fame Monster era, raspy voice, smoking. I do not recommend smoking. Pero, heavy smoker din kasi talaga ako. Like before pa. Heavy vape user ako. Feeling ko naman familiar kayo sa vape kasi halos lahat ng drag queen na pino-follow nyo, nagbe-vape. I just took it one step further. Na pang tatay talaga na Yossi yung gamit ko. Pero sabi naman ni Kiana, 2026 is Maxiana Day. Well, nakita ko sa live ni Maxi is ayaw niya na yung Maxiana. So, I'm taking my sister's word for it. I started learning designing before makeup. Mapapasok mo yung elements of designing sa makeup. Kasi kung gagawa ka ng mga sketches, like you know how to draw, you know how to paint your face. Gets ba? Pero balik ako dun sa topic ng bumababa na yung viewer natin. Tapos na yung lunch break ng mga tao. Ganun ba yun? Pero yung health check, this week, nakakain na ako na maayos kahapon. Kasi may pagkain dito sa place na tinutuluyan ko. May pagkain sa bahay ni Joshi. Bahay ko, I don't eat. Kasi kanya-kanya kaming luto sa bahay ko sa Caloocan. Kanya-kanya kami ng ganap sa buhay. So, it's either magluluto ako or sasabihin kong diet and itutulog ko na lang. So, yun. I don't have an eating disorder, just to be clear. Hindi siya eating disorder. I'm kind of like just pushing myself para maging skinny ulit. Para ready ako for public perception. Kasi sobrang nakaka-trauma yung body shaming sa akin ng season 3. Kung alam nyo lang. Marami nagagalit dati sa'yo, ma. Why the fuck are you living in the past, Jay? Kung nandito ka lang para i-bring up yung past, you might as well leave. Because I don't really care. Like, kaya ako nag-live kasi gusto kong kumausap ng tao, ng fans. If you're not gonna speak lightly, you can freely leave. And puro Maxiana lang din naman yung tinatanong mo sa akin. I don't know what Maxiana is going, I don't know what Maxiana is up to these days. Okay? Like, ginagawa din to ng ibang fans, kala Mix, kala UD, na tanong kayo ng tanong about Maxiana. Hindi po kami PA nung Maxiana, di po namin alam yung nangyayari sa mga buhay nila araw-araw. Follow nyo sila sa social media nila. Turn on nyo yung bell, yung notification, para alam nyo kung may bago siyang content or post, diba? Don't ask other people about other people. Yun lang. Crash out. May ka-date ba daw sa Valentine's? Wala. Wala akong ka-date. Wala akong ka-date sa Valentine's. Pero may crush ako. May crush ako ngayon. Actually, crush ko na siya for 3 years. Feeling ko naman di siya nanonood, tulog ata siya. Crush ko na siya for 3 years. Yun lang yung yun lang yung nagpapabuhay sa love life ko. Yun yung pinaka malapit sa love life na pwede kong tawagin. May crush ako for 3 years. Na medyo sumasabog ako ngayon. Hindi naman sa loyal. Like, crush ko siya matagal na, pero parehas kaming nagkakaroon ng mga jowa from time to time. Hanggang sa masyado na tayong magkakilala. Like, I'm afraid to say it so far. I'd rather stay single. Super required ba na may own painting style like sa mug at sa makeup? Yes. Kasi kung gusto mo makilala ka and you have distinction from other queens, you have to develop your own branding, your own drag, makeup, your outfits, your vibes. Like, kailangan na bumalik nung type of drag na parang individualistic lahat. K-pop artist atake mo sa concept photos. It's not K-pop, it's P-pop. Like, love your own. Hindi na nga din ako masyadong nakikinig ng P-pop ngayon. Unless if it's TXT. Sobrang indulge ako ngayon with P-pop and OPM kasi I really need to learn from my peers. Like, on what works and what's missing in the industry. And also, nakikinig ako ng marami ng mga alternative rock music from other countries. Recommend ko lang para kung nagustuhan nyo yung bonding, magugustuhan nyo yung mga kanta ni Grimes. Grimes, Grimes. Kasi I'm heavily inspired of Grimes at the moment. Lalo na in my producer era. Like, siya yung pinagagayahan ko. Hindi naman take inspiration. Super cute din yung po nung season 3. Isa po kayo sa bias ko. Thank you, Anyong bitch. May grado pa yung lenses nyo. Yeah. Yung grado ng lens ko is 600 and 250. Legally blind. What's your signature scent? Actually, wala akong signature scent. Pero may signature brand ako na ginagamit all the time. It's Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works yung gamit ko lagi. Ito yung rotation ko ngayon. Yung lagi kong dala na dalawa. Vanilla and nutmeg at saka eucalyptus. Ito yung mga amoy ko. Pinaghalo ko at the moment. Tapos meron pa akong isang favorite na tinitipid ko ngayon na naging signature scent ko nung active ako sa drag. Kulay green siya na malaki, nakalimutan ko yung name. Tapos meron akong isang bago din na malaki siya na kulay white na amoy vanilla. Anything Bath and Body Works. Kasi matagal siya sa katawan. Sino po production team ng new single mo? Queen Dynasty. Ako yung gumawa ng kanta, ako yung nagsulat. Si Joshi tsaka si Yong yung best friend ko, yung co-writers ko. Ako yung nag-mix and master. Ang nag-shoot ng video is si Dredge. Shutter by Dredge, yung photographer ng mga drag queens. Nag-edit is si Lian Castro, my drag daughter. Yung main choreographer ko is si James. James Mirasol, close friend. Very close friend. And executive producer, si Joshi ulit. Siya gumastos halos lahat. 80% ng MB siya gumastos. And assisted by everyone. Everyone of the team. Tapos nakapag-import pa ako from friends ni James Mirasol, Eternum. Hindi ko alam kung andito pa si Mateo. Yung Eternum, sila yung nakuha kong dancers for this project. So it's a team project and also a collaboration from different teams din. So wala akong team, it's all a group of friends work. $5 and a group of friends. Ayun, Vanilla Bean Noel. Yun yung bago kong yun yung bagong purchase ko nung nakaraan. Yung Vanilla Bean. Pero medyo hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi parang hindi bagay sa aesthetic ko ngayon, lalo na sa promotion ko for the song. Itong dalawa medyo may hint of wood yung amoy. So parang medyo lalaki. So ito yung gamit ko. Super scared ako sa comedy challenge. Girl, me too. Comedy challenge talaga ako natanggal. Wala pa ko yung ganap ni Ate Mix. I miss the cutie. Wala kaming ganap ni Mix, period. Hindi kami nabubuk that much. Like, you guys, you gotta understand, drag is so overpopulated at the moment. If you don't see the queens together, it means na hindi kami nabubuk in the same events. Hindi kami nagkakatagpo. We go out together. Like, magkasama kami ni Mix sa Hosik last week. We didn't take any pictures kasi we were in the moment. We were having fun. Learn to live in the moment. Learn to have fun. Wag masyadong mag-cellphone. Kasi yun yung nakapagligtas sa akin from the last quarter of the year. Last year. And January and February. I'm just hanging out with my friends. Pero yun, ang mga madalas na bubuk Papansin Squad, yun. Kaya sila yung magkakasama. Shemod. And other Playhouse girlies. Me and Mix, not that much. Buti nga si Mix nabubok pa rin sa Playhouse eh. Ako hindi na ako nabubok. Last Playhouse gig ko was June last year. And it was my only Playhouse event that year na handled ng Playhouse. So, I'm in a very boy time of my life right now. Like, everything I've been doing lately is boy stuff. Like, bumalik din ako sa production work late last year. As a boy, of course. Oh my God, may pasok ka. O yung mga may pasok, pwede na kayong umalis na. Kasi tapos na rin ako mag-ayos. Okay na, magbibihis na lang ako. Yung comedy challenge, you don't need to write it. You just have to follow your guts. Kasi yun yung naging problema namin sa mga comedy challenge. Yung mga nag-bomb sa comedy challenge kami nila Mix. We had a script that we want to follow kasi gusto namin maging plakado. And yung mga taong walang script, yun yung nag-succeed and finollow lang nila yung instincts nila. Like, you don't have to have a script for it. Kasi sabi ko, just live in the moment if ever makapag-drag race ka. Yun yung mapapayo ko as someone na nagdaan sa torture ng drag race. You have to live in the moment for you to succeed. Because if you're overthinking it, it's not gonna work. Bonding! Out later, 12 midnight. Bonding by J Queen. Out on Spotify and Apple Music later tonight at midnight. Yung pre-save link po nasa bio ko. I-stream nyo, parang awa nyo na kasi wala akong work. Hi Quinn, do you really meant yung sinabi mo sa entry mo no na crush mo si Maxi? Yes. Yes, crush ko si Maxi around 2021 and 2022. Pero nalaman ko na magjowa sila ni Briggs. So, kind of brush it off. Pero, yung mga naging jowa ko kasi, Moreno na mas maliit sa akin ng konti. I have a type. I have a specific type. Dalawa lang yung nakadate ko na hindi Moreno na mas maliit sa akin. I have a specific type, I think, nang hindi ko alam. Recently ko lang nalaman kasi yung crush ko, Moreno. Yung crush ko, Moreno na very maxi din yung datingan. Yung current crush ko. So, doon ko na pagtagpi-tagpi na, oh, maybe I do have a type. Kasi akala ko dati yung type ko, mga ka-vibes ko, mga half Japanese or mga part East Asian. It didn't work. Nagkaroon ako ng ex na in-chick before. Didn't work. Sa una lang ako naging attracted. Then everything else is kind of Stockholm Syndrome. May nakadate ako ng 2024 na mukhang in-chick. Pilipino na mukhang in-chick. Didn't work. Nawala din yung amor ko agad sa kanya. Nagmukha lang siyang display. Kasi lagi kong dala sa mga gigs. And cute kasi siya. Pero I did have feelings for him. Pero ang bilis ko na move on because I think I wasn't really attracted to that type that much. Hindi ako attracted sa mga East Asians. The more I think about it, dahil akala ko talaga yun yung type ko. Yapper, sorry. Pero yun, yung pinaka-type ko talaga is yung mga type na very same kay Maxi. Pinoy na Pinoy, Moreno. Hindi ko inisip si Maxi ngayon. Naiisip ko yung crush ko. Kasi same vibes sila ni Maxi ng very light. Mas muscular lang yung crush ko ngayon. Pero yeah. And kumakanta din yung crush ko ngayon. So parang hindi ko sinasabing naging crush ko yung bago kong crush dahil naalala ko si Maxi. They just have the same vibes. Pero naging crush ko yung crush ko ngayon kasi matagal ko na siyang crush. Gets ba? Kasi before Maxi din naman may mga crush na akong same vibes si Maxi. Kala ko di sila nag-work. Yung ako, wala akong work. Sino ba crush mo? Ayoko sabihin. Ayoko sabihin yung crush ko kasi hindi siya public figure. Like, he's living a very private life. You look like JM Yusores. Ang dami nang sasabi sa akin na kamukha ko siya. We need to link up. Like, we need to collab ASAP. Like, kung magkamukha kami, like, i-drag kita be. Bakit ayaw mo ako ka-banding? Kasi nga yung banding lalabas na tonight, midnight, sa Apple Music and Spotify. I-pre-save nyo yung kanta ko. The link is in my bio. To be honest, I love your showcase after your elimination. So, hindi na present. Fun fact, isasend namin yung mga design sa mga damit namin beforehand bago kami pumasok. So, feeling ko para pasok sa narrative na hindi ako magaling na drag queen or hindi ako maganda manamit. Inula lahat ng mga runways na pangit na dala ko. Kuro-kuro lang yun. Kuro-kuro lang yun from my old team. Parang, yeah. Bukas pa ba stream nung kanta mo na 12 midnight tonight. So yeah, bukas. Technically. Sila po nung nalaman mo magjowa sila nung guy. Sino? Sino? Okay na po ba kayo nila Ate Maxi? Oo, 2 years ago na yung away. Hindi naman nagtagal yung away na yun, sa loob lang ng Drag Race eh. Paglabas namin, okay kami lahat. J. Queen, ba't hindi ka pumunta yung Halloween ball? Nandun si Jackson man. Kasi lasing na lasing ako ng Halloween, hindi na ako nakahabol. Hindi ko nagamit yung invite ko. Lasing na lasing ako galing from a different Halloween event. So parang, sorry. Will you be attending Wonders at 5:53? Hindi, be. Kasi wala akong pambili ng ticket ngayon. Like, I'm trying to save up because I'm finishing my EP. I'm finishing my mini album. So, parang concerts, anything for leisure, I don't really want to spend that much money. Naging si Briggs at Maxi po ba? Nagugulan po kasi may. Yes, naging sila around 2021, 2022. Nung around the same time na crush ko si Maxi. Oh, correct. Tama. Tama yung timeline ko. J Queen, nalabas na yung MB mo. Hindi pa. Bukas pa. Forever defend your verse sa Girl Group Challenge. Thank you po. Itong bagong release ko, ako lang sulat lahat with my friends. Oo, sila gumagawa, yung mga producers. How's life nung nakilala mo si Maxi? Wala, single pa din. Hindi naman naging kami ni Maxi eh. Laro. Malapit na yung comeback ng BTS. Manonood ka ba? Yes, I'm so excited for Arirang. Kinuha pa nilang producer si Diplo. Oh my God! Sana lumabas yung BTS sa set ni Diplo sa Coachella. Kasi si Diplo nasa Coachella siya sa April. Sana andun yung BTS. Hi, Kuya JP! Tara, Pink Milk ulit tayo. Pag may pera na ako, pag pumasok na yung streaming revenue ng song. Kasi I don't have any money right now, Kuya JP. Hi, may banding naman tayo. Magbabanding tayo mamayang midnight. Lalabas na yung kanta ko sa Spotify and Apple Music. It's gonna be there. Also on YouTube Music, Amazon Prime Music, Tidal, I think everywhere. Baka andun lahat ng kanta ko. Like, so, you guys have to check it out. Later midnight, yung pre-save link ng song ko is in my bio. You can check it out. Wala kayo check out kasi pre-save link siya. Pero, pagkalabas on 12 midnight, mag-notif sa inyo. At least, una kayo makakarinig. If Drag Race PH will call you, would you go again? Yes. Yes. Anything to be employed, girl. Thoughts mo sa naging run ni Minty from UK versus the world? Pinagtripan si Minty ng production ng UK. Feel na feel ko. Hindi Pilipinas ang favorite Asian this season. Thailand ang favorite Asian. Pinagtripan yung mga Pinoy this season. 2 Pinoy agad yung natanggal. Really. Mga Pinoy na drag queen na merong best franchise. Mga unang natanggal. Seems kind of sketch. Hi, Dabi! Pag natalo si Gada, ibig sabihin pili talaga. Pili naman talaga yan. Like, you guys have to understand na yung Drag Race, hindi siya reality show. It's a produced show. Like, yes, we're competing, pero kahit anong gawin namin, meron nang naiisip yung production and yung wow nung naisip nila moving forward. And kung ano yung magiging role ng mga bakla. Kaya kami na-cast kasi they already have roles assigned for us. And it's just how reality TV works. Reality TV is a telenovela na run by real people. Hindi kami characters. Ganon. I think Minty was not reserved. Feeling ko lang hindi sinama yung mga edit na nagsasalita siya. It could be that. Kasi, ang filming ng Drag Race usually is 12 hours a day. Tapos i-compress siya into 1 hour. 12 divided by i-divide mo yung buong 12 hours na yun into 1 hour. Pinili nilang hindi ipakita si Minty. Or yung ipapakita kay Minty, very subdued. Ganon. May personality si Minty, hindi lang pinakita nung edit. And that's just how Drag Race works. Yun yung pinama namin kontrata na ibibigay namin yung likeness namin sa kanila. Am I right na super love mo ang Koreans? Not that much. Not that much. I just like the music. And ang masasabi ko lang na love ko na Koreans is yung TXT. Pero when it comes to men that I like, mahilig ako sa mga Pilipino, yung Pinoy na Pinoy yung itsura, yung mga moreno. Something that I'm not. Ganun. So I don't really love them. I love the music. And I love TXT. But that's that. Diba? Kaya kami kinakabahan mag-air every episode kasi hindi namin alam kung ano yung ilalagay ng production. Ano thoughts mo sa sinabi na dapat daw si Vinyas na lang daw dapat sa UK versus the world? I think not. Kasi feeling ko kung ano yung ginawa kay Minty, kayang-kaya din nila gawin kay Vinyas. 'Di ba? That's how storyline works, babe. So parang mas okay na nag-Station Royale si Vinyas kasi mas napakita niya yung true self niya doon. At saka ang hirap mag-English all the time, all the fucking time. So parang feeling ko hindi lumalabas yung mga personality ng mga queens, lalo na pag hindi English speaking yung country mo or not fully English speaking. Ang hirap ilabas ng personality mo if you're not that what do you call this? If you're not that fluent in the language. Ibang-iba yung atake ng mga sinasabi mo. So mas okay na mag-Station Royale yung mga bakla. At least kaya nila mag-Tagalog, kaya nila mag-Taglish. Kahit mag-alien pa kayo na boses, kayang-kaya yung gawin sa Station Royale. Anong masasabi mo na ikaw ang lalaban sa international na kapangitan? Jarek, nakita mo na ba yung sarili mo sa salamin today? Kasi yung mga ganyang kino-comment, ibig sabihin yan, you're projecting, you're ugly. You're ugly, Jarek 723. Oh my God! Happy to see you sa Naiya, Hong Kong. Oh my God, ang tagal na nung last na labas ko ng bansa. Oh my God, hi Mais! Oh my God, ang tagal na, girl! #days pa, ang tagal na. Tapos ngayon na ako, P-pop adjacent musician. So, parang from fangirling sa labas ng McDo para sa hashtags. Ngayon, I'm also doing music. Diba? Ano na, Mais? Anong ganap mo sa life? Sana ikaw na lang sinali sa UK versus the world. I feel, no. No. Kung babalik ako sa Drag Race, I don't want it to be on an English-speaking franchise. Drag Race Philippines o Drag Race Philippines pa rin. Kasi gusto ko mag-Tagalog. Like, I'm kind of fluent in English kasi Taglish ako magsalita. Like, naturally, Taglish ako magsalita. Pero I feel like, if kailangan straight English, mababaliw ako. And hindi lalabas yung true personality. Tama! Parang iba kasi yung bitaw ng joke pag English, tas Pinay ka. Tama yun. Naka-survive si Minty sa Drag Race UK kasi sobrang fluent talaga ni Bakla. Like, she can speak, she can joke in English anytime she wants. Kasi sobrang perfect niya for a international season. May ting ba si Arizona at si Jade? So, girl, kabahan ka naman sa sinasabi mo. Girl, kapi-kabi din tayo sa mga shipping na yan. Bakit hindi ka sumali sa Station Royale? Kasi hindi ako hindi ako na-invite. Station Royale is for invites only. Ano thoughts mo sa bashing kay Minty sa Twitter? Same lang sinasabi niya. Like, lahat ng mga sinasabi niyo tungkol sa amin, lahat ng panlalait niyo sa aming lahat, sa drag ng mga bakla, hindi siya valid kasi hindi naman kayo drag queen. 'Di ba? So, Minty is fine. Like, gets niya yun. Like, hindi siya makikinig sa mga ibang tao yung nasa profile picture. Or hindi siya makikinig sa mga taong stan accounts. Bakit ninyo? Like, hindi naman directly. Like, nung mga fans, let me rephrase, yung mga fans na nangi-hate kay, sa mga drag queens. Yun. Like, medyo slow ako mag-isip ha. Medyo slow ako mag-isip lalo na pag Tagalog girl. So, parang medyo... Can a queen from a past season join a new season? Example, season 3 to 4? No. Hindi siya, nangyayari lang yun sa US. Pero dito kasi, pag mga franchise kasi, ang hirap gawin nun kasi sobrang limited na lang. Kasi hindi naman panghabang buhay yung Drag Race. I want to be a drag queen but I'm a girl. You can be a girl and be a drag queen. Tignan mo yung drag daughter ni Precious, si Kiffy Nicole. Yung jowa niya, si Ninja. Mga babae sila na nagda-drag. Si Marlene Ocampo, si Heartburns. Babae siya na drag queen. Tiffy Tofu, babae din na drag queen. Maraming babaeng drag queen. It works. You don't need to have a dick to do drag. Hi, alam niyo po ba yung K-pop group na X-Love? Yes! Nag-post ako ng Beep cover a few months ago. Like, in December ata. Nag-post ako ng Beep na dance. And, I'm praying na, ang gusto ko kasi sana, gusto kong i-tap in yung production ng concert nila dito. Gusto ko sana mag-offer na baka want nyo ng, front act, 'di ba? Na same branding na budding na musician in the idol industry. Kung bet lang nila. Kasi I want to meet X-Love. Like, I want to do a challenge with them. Tanong lang po kung magkaroon ng Drag Race Philippines Season 4. Yes, nagpapa-audition na sila. Ay, talaga ba, Mais? Makeup artist ka na? Saan ka sa TV station ka ba nag-makeup or freelance? What's your favorite episode sa Drag Race Philippines Season 3? Wala. Wala. Live will end in 5 minutes. Okay, so I need to go na, guys. And I need to go to my rehearsals na rin because it's almost 3. And I need to be there by 6. I'm currently at Congressional. My rehearsal is at 6:30. So, I need to go. Bye! I'll go live ulit around 11 p.m. pang salubong sa single release. Bye. Aray